Code Platoon received our GI Bill approval in early 2018, and we were among the first coding boot camps to have GI Bill approval, which means students can now use their educational benefit to attend our class. They receive a housing allowance every month, and it really opened the door for a lot of students to be able to participate in our training. And because of that GI Bill approval, we've also been approved for vet tech.
One of the things that made Code Platoon possible for me was its relationship with the VA, the fact that it's a nonprofit, and so it was really affordable to go to.
Vet tech definitely was a great option for me because I could not do Code Platoon in person, and the Montgomery GI Bill was not available for remote students. And one of the Code Platoon staff told me about vet tech, so I did all the research I needed to do, and I saw that it perfectly fit what I needed, and I got in contact with the right people. Code Platoon helped guide me, and I ended up getting signed up and approved for the benefit.
They have scholarships for spouses of military veterans, as well as there's a transgender scholarship that I think is amazing. As a trans woman, that helped me feel comfortable.
Our partnership with the VA plays an important role in making our program an affordable option for our students who want to use their GI Bill or other VA educational programs. For our students who don't have support from the VA, we offer generous scholarships to keep our program affordable and attainable. To date, we have provided over $1.4 million in scholarships. Donate today to help support our scholarship program and help us change the lives of veterans and their families through a career in technology.